Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your location for the weekend. Many fans find themselves needing to adjust their plans, and understanding the process is key. We'll cover the general steps involved, from checking ticket policies to contacting support. Our goal is to help you navigate this smoothly, ensuring you can enjoy the show at your preferred venue. Stay tuned for a comprehensive guide to make your experience hassle-free. Before attempting any changes, it's crucial to understand the ticket policies. Generally, tickets are sold for a specific event and location, making direct changes challenging. However, some platforms or promoters might offer limited flexibility, especially for high-demand events. Always review the terms and conditions from your initial purchase, as these documents contain vital information regarding exchanges or transfers. Knowing these rules upfront saves you time and potential frustration. Once you've reviewed the policies, the next step is to initiate the change. Begin by logging into the platform where you purchased your tickets. Look for features like Manage My Tickets or transfer options, which might allow self-service changes. If these aren't available, contacting customer support is your best bet. Be prepared with your order number and ticket details to clearly explain your request for a location adjustment. Patience is key during this process. Finally, keep a few important considerations in mind. There might be administrative fees for processing a location change, so be prepared for that. Also, any change is strictly dependent on ticket availability at your desired new venue. It's essential to act promptly, as most platforms have strict deadlines for any modifications, often several weeks before the event. If a direct change isn't feasible, exploring official resale platforms could be a viable alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.